We're going to show you the installation of a soffit wedge. They're great on slope soffits and gables where the inside of the eave hook would otherwise contact the eave. Cut a couple of 6-inch strips of the Velcro loop with adhesive and attach it to the Velcro hook that is already on the soffit wedge. Remove the adhesive covering and attach the soffit wedge to the bottom of the soffit as shown. You shouldn't need to press it on too hard since it is temporary. Now you can attach the eave hook as you normally would. Frequently, you will use 12-inch wheels for this installation. After removing the eave hook, peel off the soffit wedge and any possible remaining Velcro. Installation of a soffit wedge on a gable is done pretty much the same way as at the bottom of an eave.